Good day. We have Epson L120 here with no power even pressing the power button. Let's take a look and troubleshoot this unit. Please follow along. We make sure to use multimeter to test power button. In this case, no beep heard, meaning the power button is damaged. Let's solder a new power button to the board. Clean a little. Let's reinstall board and test. Test is successful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Till next time, folks.